Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today because my husband Alan and I are going to be working on a project together. We are going to be upcycling a microwave cart. Yes, that's right, a microwave cart. We have a new outdoor kitchen that you may have seen in a recent video, and our best friends have given us a solid wood, very nice microwave cart that they had in one of their properties. We're going to take that microwave cart and we're going to refurbish it and redo it. We're going to use a nice stain, we're going to sand it down, we're going to completely redo this cart, and it is going to be a really wonderful little island in our outdoor kitchen. So let me show you what all we did to prepare and redo this wonderful new kitchen island for our outdoor kitchen. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here today. I really hope you enjoyed watching us do this project, and it's something that anyone can do. You can always upcycle something and turn it into a whole completely different use, and therefore that item doesn't go to waste. It can be completely changed and used for a whole new wonderful purpose. I'm so glad you're here and I appreciate it so much. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.